Equation is differential equation d2y upon dt square plus 4y is equal to 0 with given conditions. We have to solve this equation using matrix method. Given differential equation, we have to solve using matrix method. To solve this equation using matrix method, always we have to consider dy by dt is equal to x1 and y is equal to x2. This substitution, always for any type of this differential equation, we have to consider the such substitution dy by dt is equal to x1 and y is equal to x2. Now here in the given question, a term is d2y upon dt square. So we have to differentiate this equation with respect to t. So we will get d2y upon dt square is equal to dx1 upon dt, and this dy by dt is also equal to dy by dt is equal to x1 is equal to, we can put y is equal to x2. So we will get dx2 upon dt. We have substituted y is equal to x2 only. So x1 is equal to dx2 upon dt. So now this equation will become d2y upon dt square is dx1 upon dt and y is equal to x2 we have to put here. So we will get the equation dx1 upon dt plus 4x2 is equal to 0. So this equation we can get it dx1 upon dt is equal to, we can shift that that side. So we will get it 0x1 plus 4x2, sorry, minus 4x2. We have to shift 4x2 that side and 0x1 minus 4x2. This is the one equation, and dx2 upon dt is equal to x1 plus 0x2. These two equations, using these two equations, we will convert it into matrix form. This is the one equation, dx1 upon dt and dx2 upon dt. Now remember one thing here, always substitute like this one, dy by dt is equal to x1 and y is equal to x2, and this equation, this dy by dt is equal to x1 is equal to dx2 upon dt, that is always we will get the same. So this equation we will get always the same, whatever the equation of given equation. Only this equation will get the depend on this one. So according to these two, given these two equation, we will convert it into matrix form like that, dx1 upon dx2 is equal to, this is dx1 upon, sorry, ddt of x1 upon x2, x1 x2 is equal to, this we can write in the form of 0, minus 4, 1 and 0 into x1 x2. Now if we multiply it, we will get the first equation, dx1 ddt of x1 is equal to 0x1 minus 4x2, first equation, ddt of x2 we will get x1 plus 0x2. So now this we can write it d. So this equation we can write it in the form of ddt of x is equal to ax. This we can write ax, or we can write dx is equal to ax. Now this a is 0, minus 4, 1 and 0. So we have to find the modal matrix for matrix A. A के लिए हमको modal matrix निकालना है, तो we have to find the eigen values. उसके लिए हमको लेना है A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Minus lambda is equal to 0. So we will get, this is A. A minus lambda I means minus lambda minus 4, 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. And this characteristic equation we will get lambda square plus 4 is equal to 0, and the values of lambda are, lambda is equal to plus minus 2i. So lambda 1 is 2i and lambda 2 is minus 2i. So corresponding to this values of lambda, we have to find the eigen vectors. So let Z is equal to Z1, Z2 is the eigenvector such that A minus lambda I into Z is equal to 0. A minus lambda I into Z is equal to 0. So A minus lambda I is minus lambda minus 4 1 minus lambda into Z1 upon Z2 is equal to 0 0. So we will get the equations minus lambda Z1 minus 4 Z2 is equal to 0 and Z1 minus lambda Z2 is equal to 0. These two equations, so for lambda is equal to 2i, for lambda is equal to 2i, we will get the equation minus 2i Z1 minus 4 Z2 is equal to 0 and Z1 minus 2i Z2 is equal to 0. Now we can check it. If we divide it by 2i minus 2i, so we will get the same equation Z1 minus 2i Z2 is equal to 0. So if we put, let here only one equation and two variables, so we have to assign one value of variable, that is Z2 is equal to 1, so Z1 is equal to 2i. So corresponding to lambda is equal to 2i, eigenvector is Z1 is 2i and Z2 is 1. Similarly, we have to find the eigenvector for the value of, so similarly for Z is equal to, lambda is equal to minus 2i, we have to put lambda is equal to minus 2i in this equation, so we will get 2i Z1 minus 4 Z2 is equal to 0 and Z1 minus lambda is equal to minus 2i, that is plus 2i Z2 is equal to 0. So if we divide it by 2i, so we will get Z1 plus 2i Z2 is equal to 0. If we divide it by 2i, so we will get the same equation. So combine this equation, we are getting this one. So now we will put Z2 is equal to 1. So Z1 is minus 2i. So corresponding to lambda is equal to minus 2i, lambda is equal to minus 2i, we will get the vector 1, minus 2i and 1. This is the eigenvector. So the modal matrix B is equal to, we will get for Z is equal to, lambda is equal to, lambda 1 2i के लिए कितना आया है 2i 1 and minus 2i 1. This is the B. Now solution of this equation is now solution of this equation is given by x is equal to x1 x2 is equal to b into c1 e to the power of lambda 1x and c2 e to the power of lambda 2x. This is the solution. So we have to put the value of b here. So we will get x1 x2 is equal to b is 2i 1 minus 2i1 c1 e to the power of lambda 1. Lambda 1 is 2i x and c2 e to the power of minus 2ix. Now this, if we expand it, so we will get x1 is equal to 2i c1 e to the power of 2ix so here independent variable is t, so we have to consider t here, lambda t1 and t1, here also t and t. So 2i c1 e to the power of 2it minus 2i c2 e to the power of minus 2it x2 is equal to c1 e to the power of 2it plus c2 e to the power of minus 2it. Now from given x is nothing but dx by dt, and this is dx by dt, and this is y. Y is x2. We have considered x1 is dx by dt and y is equal to x2. So when t is 0, dx by dt, it is dy by dt. So when t is 0, dy by dt is 0. So this is, from this equation we get 0 is equal to, if t is equal to 0, 2I c1, this power is 0, that is 1, minus 2I c2. So that gives, this gives c1 minus c2 is equal to 0. And here we put y is equal to 8 when t is equal to 0. In this equation y is equal to 8 when t is 0, that is c1 e to the power of 0 is, c1 e to the power of 0 is 1, c1 plus c2. Now c1 plus c2 is 8 and c1 minus c2 is equal to 0. Solving these two equations, we will get c1 is equal to c2 is equal to 4. So now c1 c2 both are 4. So we have to put the value of c1 c2 in this equation. So what we will get, y is equal to 4 e to the power of 2it plus 4 e to the power of minus 2it, that is we can write it 4 e to the power of 2it plus e to the power of minus 2it upon 2 into 2, that is 8 cos 2t. This we can write, it is equal to 8 cos of 2t by using the formula. So the solution of this equation is y is equal to 8 cos 2t.